Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that could save your life. We're talking about the 10 warning signs that your blood sugar is dangerously high. We often hear about diabetes, but how many of us truly understand the red flags our bodies throw at us when our blood sugar is out of whack? Ignoring these signals can have serious consequences, so it's time to arm ourselves with knowledge. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down these warning signs, making them easy to understand and remember. We'll talk about why they happen and what you can do if you notice them. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to our health, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about why recognizing the early signs of high blood sugar is so important. Think of it like this. Your body is constantly communicating with you. It sends signals when something's off, hoping you'll listen. High blood sugar, also known as hyperglycemia, is no different. It's like your body flashing a warning light saying, "Hey, something's not right here." Ignoring these early signs is like ignoring that check engine light in your car. It might seem fine now, but it could lead to major problems down the road. Early detection is key when it comes to managing your blood sugar levels and preventing complications from diabetes. The sooner you recognize these signs, the sooner you can take action. This might mean talking to your doctor, adjusting your diet, or incorporating more exercise into your routine. Remember, we're not trying to scare you here, but to empower you. By being proactive and informed, you can take control of your health and live a longer, healthier life. So, let's dive into these warning signs, starting with one of the most common frequent urination. Have you been making more trips to the bathroom than usual, especially at night? This increased urination, also known as polyuria, is a telltale sign of high blood sugar. Here's why. When your blood sugar levels are high, your body works hard to flush out that excess glucose through your urine. This is like your body hitting the overflow button, trying to get rid of the sugar it can't process effectively. Think of it like this. Imagine your bloodstream is a highway, and glucose is like the cars. When there are too many cars, glucose on the highway, traffic backs up. Your body, like a smart traffic system, diverts some cars off the highway and onto side streets, your urine, to keep things moving. If you find yourself constantly needing to pee, especially waking up multiple times during the night, don't just brush it off. It could be your body's way of signaling that your blood sugar is too high. Pay attention to your body's signals. It's trying to tell you something. Now let's talk about another common symptom that often goes hand in hand with frequent urination: increased thirst. You see, when you're peeing more often, your body loses more fluids, leading to dehydration. Your body, being the intelligent machine it is, tries to compensate for this fluid loss by making you feel thirsty. This excessive thirst, known as polydipsia, is your body's way of saying, "Hey, I need more fluids to function properly." It's like your internal hydration alarm system going off, urging you to replenish those lost fluids. So if you find yourself constantly reaching for that water bottle, feeling parched despite drinking plenty of fluids, it could be a sign that your blood sugar is high. Don't ignore this thirst. Listen to your body and stay hydrated. Remember, frequent urination and excessive thirst often go hand in hand. They're like partners in crime, both pointing towards the same culprit: high blood sugar. Chapter 4: Unexplained weight loss. We often associate weight loss with positive changes, but when it happens unexpectedly and without any effort on your part, it can be a red flag. Unexplained weight loss, especially if it's significant or rapid, could be a sign that your body isn't processing glucose properly. Here's the deal. Glucose is our body's primary source of energy. When your cells can't access glucose effectively due to high blood sugar, your body starts looking for alternative fuel sources. It's like your body is saying, "Okay, I'm not getting the energy I need from glucose, so I'm going to tap into my reserves." And guess what those reserves are? You got it, fat and muscle. So while you might initially be happy about the weight loss, it's crucial to understand the underlying cause. If you notice the numbers on the scale dropping without any changes to your diet or exercise routine, don't just celebrate just yet. It's time to consult your doctor to rule out any underlying health conditions, including high blood sugar. Chapter 5: Fatigue and weakness. Feeling constantly tired and drained even after a good night's sleep? This persistent fatigue and weakness are common symptoms of high blood sugar. Remember how we talked about glucose being our body's primary energy source? Well, When your cells can't efficiently use glucose due to high blood sugar, it's like trying to run a car on fumes. Your body isn't getting the fuel it needs to function optimally, leading to feelings of exhaustion and weakness. Imagine yourself as a phone with a low battery. You can still technically use it, but it's slow, sluggish, and you're constantly worried about it dying completely. That's similar to how your body feels when your blood sugar is high, constantly drained and lacking energy. If you're experiencing unexplained fatigue and weakness, don't just reach for another cup of coffee. It's essential to address the root cause and get your blood sugar checked. Chapter 6. Blurred vision. Let's talk about another symptom that can be quite alarming. Blurred vision. High blood sugar can affect your vision in a couple of ways. Firstly, it can cause the lenses in your eyes to swell, making it difficult to focus properly. It's like looking through a slightly distorted window. Things might seem blurry or out of focus. Secondly, high blood sugar can damage the tiny blood vessels in your retina, the back part of your eye that senses light. This damage can lead to diabetic retinopathy, a serious eye condition that can eventually lead to vision loss. So if you notice any sudden changes in your vision, like blurriness, double vision, or difficulty focusing, don't ignore it. It's crucial to see an eye doctor immediately to rule out any serious complications. Remember, your vision is precious, and high blood sugar can have a significant impact on your eye health. Chapter 7. Slow healing. Have you noticed that cuts, scrapes, or sores seem to take forever to heal? This delayed wound healing is another sign that your blood sugar might be too high. High blood sugar can impair your body's natural healing process in several ways. Firstly, it can damage blood vessels and nerves, which are essential for delivering nutrients and oxygen to the wounded area. It's like trying to repair a bridge with damaged roads leading to it. The materials can't reach the construction site effectively. Secondly, high blood sugar can suppress your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off infections that can delay healing. It's like trying to heal a wound with a weakened army. Your body's defenses are compromised. If you notice that even minor injuries are taking an unusually long time to heal, it's crucial to pay attention to this sign and get your blood sugar checked. Speaking of a weakened immune system, high blood sugar can make you more susceptible to infections. Think of your immune system as your body's internal defense force, constantly fighting off harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. High blood sugar weakens this defense force, making it easier for infections to take hold. It's like having a security system with a weakened signal. It's less likely to detect and respond to threats effectively. If you find yourself getting sick more often than usual, especially with skin infections, urinary tract infections, or yeast infections, it could be a sign that your blood sugar is impacting your immune system. Remember, a healthy immune system is crucial for overall well-being, and managing your blood sugar plays a vital role in keeping your defenses strong. Experiencing tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. This uncomfortable sensation known as neuropathy can be a sign of nerve damage, a common complication of high blood sugar. High blood sugar can damage the tiny blood vessels that supply nutrients and oxygen to your nerves, especially those in your extremities like your hands and feet. It's like cutting off the supply lines to a vital outpost. Without proper nourishment, the nerves start to malfunction. This nerve damage can lead to a variety of sensations, including tingling, numbness, burning, or even pain. In the early stages, you might notice these sensations intermittently, but as nerve damage progresses, they can become more constant and debilitating. If you're experiencing any tingling or numbness in your extremities, don't ignore it. Early detection and management of neuropathy are crucial to prevent further nerve damage. We've covered a lot of ground today, from frequent urination to tingling in your extremities. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know for sure if my blood sugar is high? Well, the most accurate way to determine your blood sugar level is through regular monitoring. This typically involves using a blood glucose meter, a small device that measures the amount of glucose in a drop of your blood. Your doctor will advise you on how often to check your blood sugar based on your individual needs and health status. They might recommend checking it first thing in the morning, before or after meals, or before bed. Regular monitoring allows you to track your blood sugar levels over time, identify trends, and make necessary adjustments to your diet, exercise, or medication to keep your blood sugar within a healthy range. Thanks for watching. We've covered the 10 warning signs of high blood sugar, and I hope you found this information helpful. Remember, knowledge is power, and being aware of these signs can help you take control of your health. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. They can provide personalized guidance, run necessary tests, and help you develop a plan to manage your blood sugar effectively. Stay healthy and informed, and I'll see you in the next video.